I don't know what I'm having.
Witness the skill.
And everything I do, I do it for you. I do it for you, mom. I do it for you. I do it for you, mom. I do it for you. I just wanna make you proud.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm so overwhelmed and I'm very, very happy. Thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for doing the right things. So thank you so much guys. I'm really, really, really grateful for what you did on my first video. So let's just continue doing the same and more, and back more people to my channel. So dumelang hlekeng, dumelang ntse le phela jwang? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. You might want to stick around. I said it right, stick around. You might want to stick around because my girl has prepared some few tips you might want to use at the end. So today, as you guys have heard or seen, that I'm in Algeria. If you have not seen that, it's in my first video. So you pause and you go look at it and I'm in Algeria right now. I'm from Lesotho. I go by the name of Maphorisa. Yeah, Maphorisa. So when I first got the scholarship, guys, to Algeria, I think from the moment I started applying, the only thing that I knew about Algeria was just Algeria is in Africa. I didn't know anything else about it. So I needed to know what is happening in the country, how is everything, how am I going to live, you know, all those kind of things, which I think most of us do when we are looking for a scholarship, researching about where we are going to see what's happening in that country, all that place. So Miguel went on the internet, as you know, Google, like I went on the internet to see what's happening. But when I got on the internet, guys, it was so scary. Like Google said, there are times when people do mass shooting and they sacrifice themselves for Allah, and I was like, oh my god. But Miguel still came either way. I was like, okay, we'll see when we get there. So where is Algeria? Algeria is in the northern part of Africa. It's literally the biggest country in Africa. It has 48 villages. If you're wondering what villages are, in my country we call them districts. So Lesotho is in the southern part of Africa. Lesotho is in the southern part of Africa. It has 10 districts. The capital being Maseru. I come from Botabote. Though my little people butchered me saying, no, you're not from Botabote, you are from Lorch. Okay, just to clear out, okay, I think I do stay in Lorch, yes, because even in my address I say Lorch 300. But everything that I need, I do it in Botabote, so it's like Botabote. So my people are from Botabote and Lorch. Yeah, back home I've traveled 7 districts. I've been in Botabote, Lorch, Beria, Maseru, Mafuteng, I always thinking Gacha, no, I've not been in Gacha. Tabatzeka and Mokotlo. Yeah. Here they have 48 villages and I've only been in 6 villages as of now. Give myself a credit for one because I've been in 2 parts. I've been in Blida because obviously I stay there. Algiers because it's like my other town. Algiers, in Bidaya, Mostagenam, Clemson, and Bumedex. So, I said Tipaza. Tipaza is just like, it's still in Blida, but it's like an hour from where I am now. So, Miguel has been there. I've been traveling a lot, and Algeria, I should say, it's very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful, I don't want to lie. So, what they speak here, they speak Arabic, Tamazight, and French, which is very different from what we speak back home. Back home we speak Lesotho and English. So that is just to hear from my friends who always call me and say, how are your Lesothonians doing? My friends, it's not Lesothonians. We are the Lesotho when we're plural, one for Lesotho, one year one is Lesotho. I wrote the questions in here and now I forgot what I'm talking about. Way of eating, like it's very different from home. Home, back home, I think in most countries, I don't know, but like back home we greet like Tumela Ntate, Tumela Mme, but here they do kisses, bizu 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 bizu, like the cheek kisses. That's how like they greet, and for them like that's so peaceful. Like you say bizu bizu bizu, like that's when like yeah, you're very welcome. And they are Muslims, like 90% of the population here is Muslim. While back home, I think 90% of us are Christians. But if you are a Christian and you want to come here, do not be discouraged. Because there's still Christian churches that we go to, yet we go on a Friday, which is very different from back home. Back home Friday is, I'm a Miano. Like, it's that vibe, like, it has that weekend vibe. Here, it's so different. I don't think I have ever felt that weekend vibe here because Thursday we go to school at the end of the day. It's like the end of the week, and then weekend is now like Friday. But Friday we go to church. Saturday there is no school. Sunday again, when you are going to church, we are now going to school. Like it's a whole different, and it took time for me to adjust to that because you know how Friday is. Like even if you're not going for a party, guys, and you understand what I mean? I don't know, but you guys understand. Like Friday is Friday. It's that time. Turn up. Like, but here it's just like okay. Like, but for now I think I'm really now adapted, and it's really nice. Like Friday is church, and Saturday you just chill, and then Sunday you go back to school. And in school, some schools are still teaching Arabic, which becomes a lot of a barrier because actually we're supposed to be taught in French, but some schools still teaching Arabic, but it becomes a lot of a barrier. But it's okay, we're still gonna make it. I think for me, it's more like some people made it. A lot of African people who came here, from other countries who came here, and they made it. Why wouldn't I make it as well? So I think don't lose hope. Oh, yeah. So, guys, we will make it. We'll really make it. As for the seasons here, very, very different from home. Very different. Back home, right now as we speak, like it's extremely cold. I mean the negatives. But here it's so hot, like it's so hot. And Bida being Bida, like Bida is like that mountainous kind of wilaya, like there are no beaches here. Other wilayas have a lot of beaches, but here there's no beach, so it's extremely hot. So we go to 51 degrees Celsius, like we can get there. Like back home we can get to negatives in times of coldness. Right now it's summer here, but back home in Lesotho it's winter. And that winter here, it's very, it's not so cold. Like back home it's extremely cold, but it's not extremely hot. Here it's extremely hot, but to me it's not extremely cold because I've experienced that cold with snow, and that type of cold where there's snow. So it's not much of a problem when it's winter here. For me, it's very different because I'm like, this is your winter. This is what you call your winter. And as here, I don't know if you know, but Algeria has, apart from it being mountainous and every beaches, it has desert. Like the Sahara Desert is here, and I want to go. I'm I think I'm not gonna leave Algeria without going to the Sahara Desert. I have to go there. I have to be there. I was here. And sing the song, I was here. It's very mountainous for us, very mountainous. But we have like like we have Jari, we have our own garden, we have our houses, like you have your own house, you have your own lawn and all that, or you keep your livestock or anything, like you have your land. Here it's very different, like we live in apartments, like because of like there's a lack of space here, because most of the part of the country is a desert, so they have like lack of space, so they live in apartments. So we found that apartments, but it doesn't mean that there are people who have like their own lawn and everything, but the only few compared to how they live here, it's like that. And one that is very, very different from most countries, I think, is that here, like the residence of the girls and the boys, very separate. Like not separate because we're in the same compound, but the boys have their own block, the girls have their own block, and no, you completely have your own city. Your only girls stay in their own city, the boys stay in their own city. If you are thinking, no, mama late, nope, that does not happen here. Like if you guys wanna talk, if you have your partner or you have your friend, you guys will be sitting there at the gate when it's time up, and we even have like curfews, like that times when we say, now it's time for you to go back in your city, because for us here, we have like our curfew is like 5:30 when it's winter, like 5:30, 6 when it's summer. Yeah, like you have to be back. If you don't come back at that time, you're going to write your name. I don't know how many times, but you'll be called for disciplinary. I've never been called, so my girl has been doing the right things. I've been coming here very early, and I don't know what happens if you come late, so I could say I cannot really know. But other wilayas still have like a different curfew, but they still do have curfew. I don't know if you don't have a curfew, just tell me which city does not have a curfew. But for us here, the girls have a curfew, the boys don't really have a curfew. But Bijaya, it's a whole different city. It's 6 hours away from Lida. Yes, 6 hours away from Lida. But for them, it's still like what we know back home. The boys still have the block here, the girls have there, so they get to mix up and everything else. I've been to Bijaya. It's very nice. It's a very nice city. Very like the people there are very lovely, and shout out to my Bijaya people. See y'all. So yeah, which is like, I'm not saying all English language, I don't know, but it's like it's a normal type of university life that people live there, like back home, how you guys live. And then we have like the type of like the transport here. I do not want to lie, they have like almost every mode of transport, from cable cars, from trams, trains, buses, taxi collectives, Yazir. Back home, it's just big buses. We do have buses. They even have flights, like from here to another city. You can, from here to another wilaya, you can take a flight, you know. Yeah. You know, those type of like they really do have like, but back home I know we don't really have like a lot of mode of transport. We have the buses, like it's the 4+1 is like the taxi collectors here. Like I don't think we have the train. We don't have the train, we don't have the flights like from one city to another city. We don't really have that back home. But I can say like back home we are able to talk in our buses, like like you know, very nice. Like I can sit here next to someone and I don't even know you, but we can be talking and a very nice conversation will be sharing. Like we can even talk in the whole bus, we'll be talking about one thing, maybe politics or anything that is happening, and we just laugh about it. We're just listening to music and it's nice. Yeah, in the bus, you have to be, not like you have to be quiet as such, but listen, that you have to talk to a person who's next to you, not turn out like you will talk to someone who's the other side and you're making noise. No. But I think and I don't even play music. I don't know why. I don't really play music here in the buses. They don't not. I don't know if that's just from Bida to Algiers, but they really don't play music. In my country, like we play music and all that. And here, I think the only way you can play music here is when you take Ayazil. Ayazil is more like an Uber. They have like, it's called Yazil here. You have the Uber, so your location where you are, and then where you're going, they'll give you the price, the name of the car. If you're here with the price, you call and the bus or the car comes and gets you and takes you to where it's very safe. I really like it, it's very safe. I think back home what we have is more light, but it only operates in the night and only Maseru. So yeah. But currency, they use dinas. Well, we use Mahut. Dinas are just type of the bullets. What? Dina, yeah. 1,000 yen, guys. 1,000 yen. This is like equivalent to 120 when everything. I don't know how much now, but 120 back home. 120 this. And back home, this is what we use. It's called Mahut. And you see the demonstration. We have our like kings here. This is I don't know if you can see, but let me do the history. Madam Nuku doing the things. So here it's like our king now, His Majesty King III, the demonstration. This one, the demonstration. Pay, and then the demonstration wait. Yeah. Pretty much what we have in our country. This is like 50 man is what we call it. And here I think it's equivalent to 440 dinar. Yeah, somewhere there, 440 dinar. Here they have like 200 dinar, guys. It's coins. Back home we don't have like 20 rand as coins. No, 20 rand, yes, we can have it as coin, but not like a solid rand. But solid rand is like in note. So for me, other people are like, for me, I really love couscous. Like that's like I go there and have a bigger bowl and they put couscous there and they put the soup. And I'm like, yeah, this is my best day now. Friday, like I have my couscous meal. But they have this ponchos. You see these drinks. I think right now I'm not used to them, but these drinks are bomb. Really nice. When I come home, I'll bring you guys this type of drinks. It's very nice. And then they have that drinking yogurt. It's very nice. I don't not like okay, this is really I think this flavor the banana is not really my favorite. But the Brent summer, like it's bomb. It's so nice. It's very nice. And they serve that food with herbs. Like every type of meal they give you herbs. If you're wondering what herbs is, it's this thing they call la baguette. La baguette in French. Yeah. It's nice. For me it is nice. It's just an okay bread. But the baby here, the baby will go and this bread will make your baby go here. Guys. And in terms of grocery, because you can still cook for yourself. In terms of grocery, it's very cheap. I don't want to lie. The grocery is very cheap. And that vegetables I found in the so cheap. As compared to home, guys, I'm still comparing to home. It's very cheap. But what is expensive, I can say, is that fruits. Back home, fruits are not so expensive. They are not really expensive. But here, I find them to be expensive as compared to home. And they have like fountains almost in every sea. I mean every layer. Like it's very beautiful. During the night they change color. Algeria is very beautiful. Like during the night, you guys see your boyfriends during the night days. Not like I've been on a night date anyway, but I've traveled during the night. Yeah, and it's very beautiful. I don't know, like it's amazing. So thank you guys for sticking around. So my girl promised nice things that she will do, and here she is delivering. So as I've said that I'm in Algeria, guys, don't be ignorant of other people's cultures. And when you're in someone's country which doesn't speak the same language as you do, try to find out some few tips on how do you say I love you, how do you say thank you, those type of things. So I'm here to serve what I got. Like I know that in Arabic, but this is like Algerian Arabic, which is not like the global Arabic they speak. They have their own type of dialect. So in Arabic, when they say they love you, they say Habibi, Nahabek. Yeah, but which translates to in my language. Guys, if you have your eyes on Basotho women, or you have your eyes on Basotho guys, you might want to shush, like everyone in the room, keep quiet, because this is like the part I need to use. So, Habibi Mehadak translates to Magatula. Hakulapilo. Guys, I don't know, like this woga. I think I said it very quick, but read. I don't know how you're gonna do it. Don't just say it after Galgata. Say it after, like, I don't know how you're gonna do it, but I think 2 seconds. 1, 2. Don't read it out loud, no. In your head, like 1, 2, and say woga. Ooh, guys, trust me, that slaps more than saying I love you. That's like more room, like Thank you guys. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do the right thing. Subscribe, share this to your friends, tell your friends, tell their friends that we do the things. Oh, by the way, one last tip. I forgot to tell you that the dialing code of Algeria, it's +123, while the dialing code of Lesotho is +266. So guys, if you want my numbers, my Algerian numbers, I'll be giving one number in a month. I don't know what video that will be, I don't know how happy I will be, but when I'm very, very happy, I'll give out one number. So they have like 9 numbers. Okay. So you might want to stick around until you get those 9 numbers so you can call me. But for starters, I'm very, very generous. I've already given you the code +213. So you might want to stick around if you want to have my numbers and do the right things, like getting here, do the right things. You see the right things, it's just like you click there on the right button and say subscribe. It's still red. If it's still red, why is it still red? Why? Haven't I served you enough? I know my brother, my sister. What do you want now? Click there.
Yeah.